So guys, for the first step, you want to open up Microsoft Edge. And now once you're on Microsoft Edge, you want to search for Google Play Store. Click on enter. You want to go to this website right here by Google Play. And now once we're here, we can install the Play Store as a desktop shortcut. So in the top right, you want to click on the three dots, and then click on More Tools, and then click on Apps, and then click on Install the site as an app. I'm just going to call it Google Play Store, and then click on Install. I'm going to create a desktop shortcut, and I'm going to pin it to my taskbar, and then click on Allow. We can now go to our desktop, or we can open up the Google Play Store. Now once you're on this, you can just install any app that you want. So make sure that you're on the Windows tab. Let's say that I want to install Clash of Clans. I'm going to click on it, and then click on Install on Windows. It's now going to start installing, and you can now click on it and you can download it. That's how you do it.